Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete all your favorite videos in TikTok app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, also write your comments after watching the video, and be sure to put your likes. So, let's get started. And open the TikTok app on your phone. And then at the bottom, go to your profile. And then you'll see this heart sign, click on it. So you'll come to the entire list of videos that you've liked on TikTok. So let's say if you want to delete some videos, then you open this video. And you see a red heart sign and you just have to click on it, so you remove the heart and that video will no longer be on your favorites list. And that's what you can do with all the videos that you have. If you have a lot of videos, it can take a long time. It will be a long process deleting each video from your favorites, especially if you've been using TikTok for months or even years. Then there is one way you can prevent, for example, the situation of having everyone see your liked videos. If you want only you to see these videos, then you will need to click on the three bars at the top, then Privacy Settings, Privacy, and then scroll down a little bit here. There's a section called Favorite Videos. Go to that. And then if you have it here, like I have it here, that all users can see your liked videos, then you'll just need to switch to just you. That way, only you can see all the videos that you've liked, so you'll hide them from prying eyes. And you won't need to delete every video, because that would take a lot of time. And one click to delete all the videos you liked, unfortunately, in TikTok is impossible. Friends, this is how you can delete all the videos you liked or hide them in the TikTok app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.